Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss two more concepts in hydrocarbons, that is knocking or detonation, or second one is called octane number. Okay, so this topic is very important regarding the computer exams. So first we will discuss what is mean by knocking. Okay, so knocking, or it is also called as detonation. Okay, so what is knocking? It may be defined as the pre-ignition of fuel-air mixture in the cylinder ahead of the flame. In the sense, if the vehicle, okay, as you know that hydrocarbons, they are used as the fuels in vehicles. Okay, so if knocking is nothing but the sound, whatever the sound produced by the vehicles during start or ignition. Okay, so it may be defined as the pre-ignition of fuel-air mixture in the cylinder ahead of the flame. Okay, so if the knocking is more, the efficiency of engine is less. Okay, so what it is, it reduces the efficiency, the capacity or the efficiency of the engine, and causes the damage of the cylinder and the piston. As you know that cylinder and piston which are present in the vehicles. Okay, if the knocking is more, the efficiency of engine is less. Okay, in order to see, the extent of knocking depends on the quality of the fuel used. Under which type of fuel you are going to use depends on that the knocking occurs. Okay, if you use a good quality petrol or diesel, the knocking is less. If you use bad quality petrol or diesel, knocking is more. Okay, so in order to reduce the knocking property, see, the knocking can be reduced by adding the anti-knock compounds. Okay, so to the fuel. In the fuel, in old days, they are using some anti-knocking substances in order to reduce the sound. Sound is nothing but the knocking. Knocking is a small sound and detonation is a bigger. Okay, as compared to the knocking, detonation is bigger sound. Okay, so see, there are some compounds are there, anti-knocking compounds, which will reduces the knocking property of the engine. So which are they? They are tetraethyl lead. This is called tetraethyl lead. So this is one of the anti-knocking compound. So what is structure of tetraethyl lead? Lead is nothing but Pb. So what is structure of ethyl? C2H5. How many are there? 4 are there. So here is C2H5, 2, 1, 2, C2H5, 3, here is C2H5. So this is the structure of tetraethyl lead. One more, the anti-knocking compounds is there, that is BXT. BXT. Or you can say is BTX. BTX. The long form of BTX is benzene, toluene and xylene. Okay, so which is used to reduce the knocking property of the fuel. Okay, so second we will discuss what is meant by octane number. See, now we will discuss octane number. Okay, so octane number, okay, it is very important in competitive exams. See, octane number. Octane number is the number that is used to determine the quality of the fuel. Okay, or quality of the petrol fuel. Okay, for diesel fuel they are giving one more, that is cetane number. Which one? For diesel they are given cetane number. Okay, this cetane number which is used to give the quality of diesel. At the same type, octane number is nothing but the number which is used to determine the quality of the petrol fuel. Okay, so generally the range of the petroleum mixture is in the C9 to C10, carbon number 7 to carbon number 9 compounds. In between those compounds you are getting the mixtures. Okay, so that will form the petroleum product. Okay, so one scientist is there, that is Ediger scientist, who selected two standard hydrocarbons. Okay, which are the standard hydrocarbons? One they are given N-heptane and isooctane. Okay, and he selected that their octane numbers. Octane number is equal to 0 in case of heptane, N-heptane, and isooctane they are given octane number is 100. Okay, so in this case you have to remember, if N in the fuel, if you are going to use N-heptane, the knocking property is more there. Okay, knocking property more in the sense octane number is less. Remember that both are inversely proportional. Okay, so in order to reduce the knocking, you are adding anti-knocking substances. anti-knock substances. Okay, so generally you know the structure of this compound heptane. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is the structure of N-heptane. Okay, which will produces high knocking property. High knocking property. Hence, its octane number is 0. Remember. Okay. If branching alkanes you are going to use, their octane number is high. You know the structure of isooctane. What is the structure of isooctane? See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and last second carbon atom there is one methyl. So this is the actual structure of isooctane. Okay. So one more structure they are given, 2,2,4-trimethyl pentane. We'll see the structures. Before going to that structures, see what is the property. See, isooctane, it has he selected a standard values. Okay, so N-heptane, it has a octane number is 0. As the actone number increases, petrol quality is increases. Remember. Okay, so what is the conclusion? Octane number increases, knocking is decreases, and anti-knocking substances, anti-knock is again increases. Anti-knocking property increases, octane number increases, petrol quality is also increases. This point you have to remember. If the petrol quality increases, anti-knocking property increases, it will give a small sound, a very less sound, efficiency of engine is more here, and octane number increases, knocking property should be decreases. Remember. Okay, so generally what is the conclusion? Straight chain compounds, they have less what we call low octane number. In the sense, this is not the good petrol, I can say. Okay, it is a bad quality petrol. But if you are giving isooctane, I selected as 100, in the sense it is a good petrol, you can say. So what is the definition of octane number? See, it is a percentage. You have to always give in the percentage. Octane number you have to always give in the percentage. Percentage of only isooctane by volume in a mixture of both these two, N-heptane and isooctane, that has the same anti-knocking. What is anti-knocking? To reduce the sound of the vehicles. Okay, property as a fuel under examination. This is called as the octane number. What is the octane number? It is nothing but the percentage. You have to give the percentage by volume of isooctane in a mixture of isooctane and N-heptane, as that of the same anti-knocking property as the fuel under examination. So octane number increases, quality of the petrol increases. Okay, octane number increases, knocking property should be decreases. Both are inversely proportional. Now see, the tendency of knocking decreases in the order. Okay, so tendency, see, alkanes have the, as you know that alkanes has the, you can say a straight chain compound have 0 octane number. Okay, so it has a very 0 octane number, in the sense quality of the petrol is less. Okay, so see, alkane, it has the more knocking as than that of alkenes, then that of alkynes, then that of cycloalkanes, and last one is aromatic hydrocarbons. In the sense, these aromatic hydrocarbons, they will use less knocking property. In the sense, they have more quality petrol, you can say. Okay, so you can say, see the examples. In alkene also, straight carbon atoms and branched chain carbon atoms. Okay, so straight chain carbon atoms, they have the, you can say, higher knocking. Higher knocking in the sense, octane number is less there. Okay, as you discussed previously, is that N-heptane octane number is 0, but isooctane octane number is 100. So this is the straight chain compound and this is the branch chain compounds. Okay, straight chain compounds knocking property is less. Sorry, knocking property is more, and octane number is less. Octane number is, you can say octane number is less. Octane number, you can say octane number is more, and it is the knocking is less here. Okay, so given the examples in competitive exam, the last examples among these they will give these examples. See, N-heptane and 2-methyl-hexane. In the structure of N-heptane, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's a straight chain compound. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 2-methyl-hexane, what is structure of 2-methyl-hexane? Total number of carbon atom are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At second carbon atom there is a methyl. Okay, so this is a branched chain compound and this is a straight chain compounds. Okay, straight chain compounds have the high knocking property as compared to the branch chain compounds. So branch chain compounds having the high octane number, that is 100. So 100 they are given as per the standard. There is no explanation regarding the 0 and 100. Okay, so next one, see, it is finish of alkenes. See the alkene. This is a straight chain alkenes. You can say the structure the heptene. Okay, all these examples they are in the range of C7 to C9 carbon atoms. Remember that. You will give the mixture of petrols. Okay, so see, here is 7 carbon atom. Here is again you are getting 7 to 8 carbon atoms. Here again 7. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. At second position there is a double bond. Okay, so see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 heptene in the sense second carbon atom there is a double bond. Okay, and here see 4 methyl hex 2Ne. First you have to write the parent name. Parent chain how many? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Give the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At fourth carbon atom there is a methyl group is there, and second carbon atom there is a double bond is there. Okay, so that is the straight chain. This is the branch chain. Branch chain, it has a high octane number as compared to the straight chain. Now come to the alkynes. Alkynes again they are getting straight chain and branch chain. This is a straight chain. This is the branched chain. See, straight chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Second position there is a, how many bonds are there? Yn in sense triple bond is there. Okay, and here see the structure. I will write again the structure of this one. Hexene, hex 2Yne. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll give the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Second carbon atom there is a triple bond is there. Triple bond is there here, and fifth carbon atom there is a methyl group is there. Okay, so this is about the alkynes. Now the example of cycloalkane is 4-methyl cyclohexane. You can say methyl cyclohexane. Cyclohexane, it is cyclic structure and one methyl group is there. Okay, and last one toluene. Toluene in the sense one benzene ring is there. Benzene ring is there, and here is methyl. So another name of toluene is methyl benzene. Okay, so methyl benzene, it has a very less knocking tendency in the sense it have high octane number. Remember, okay, it is good petrol, you can say. Okay, some important facts of octane number. See, non-N, it is straight chain compound. Octane number is -45. In the sense it has more knocking property. The petrol quality is not good there, minus 45. Okay, so same way 2 to 3 trimethyl pentane. Now the homework is you have to give the structure of this compound. Okay, commonly called as tryptane. It has the octane number is 124. Like that, methane 122. Okay, ethane octane number is 101. This is called as a propane. Octane number is 96. This is the butane. Octane number is 89. CNG. What is CNG? Compressed natural gas. Okay, so more than, it is a mixture of butane. Okay, and methane. You will get the octane number is 130. Now we will see some problems on octane number. Now we will discuss some problems regarding octane numbers. Okay, so what is the first problem? Gasoline, mixture of a compound. Gasoline with octane number 18. 80 means, okay, So they are given in one beaker. Okay, in one beaker you have, you know that octane number you have to give in the percentage by volume of octane, isooctane in isooctane and heptane. So what they are given, gasoline with the octane number 80, means if it is 100 ml fuel is there, gasoline. Okay, so see, you can say that isooctane, you are getting a mixture here. Here you are getting the mixture of which one? A mixture, you are getting the mixture of isooctane and N-heptane. Okay, so total it is 100 ml is there. Okay, so you can say 100%. Okay, so you are in the mixture you are getting two components. One component is isooctane, another component is N-heptane. So one thing you should remember, that isooctane is 80% here and remaining 20% is there. Okay, so octane number is nothing but, in a mixture whatever the percentage of isooctane is there, that is nothing but the octane number. Okay, so in a mixture octane number is 80, means in a mixture you are getting 80% or 80 ml milliliter of isooctane, that it itself it is the octane number. Okay, in competitive exam they will give octane number, you have to find out the octane number, whatever the number they have given, that much isooctane should be there in a mixture. Okay, so we will see the second point. You understood this problem? Okay, now see question number 2. What is question number 2? A sample of petrol has the same characteristics as 80 ml mixture. Again they are given 80 ml mixture of, you are getting, one is isooctane and N-heptane. Okay, is in the ratio, it's very important, is in the ratio of 3:1 ratio, volume by volume. What is the octane number of the petrol sample? Okay, so see, you have to divide this 80 ml in 3:1. Okay, so what they can, first is 80 ml mixture of isooctane is 3 ratio and N-heptane is 1 ratio. Okay, so see, isooctane is how much here? Total 80 ml, total mixture, how much it is? 80 milliliter. Okay, so in that total 80 milliliter, the volume of isooctane is 3% and 1% is N-heptane. So here how much, if you consider, here is 60 isooctane, how much quantity is 60 is there, and N-heptane, so you have to divide by 4 here. Okay, so how many are 4? If you divide 4, you will get N-heptane, how much here? You will get here 20. So overall you are getting a mixture, it is 80 ml is there, in that isooctane is 60 is there and N-heptane is 20 is there. Okay, always octane number you have to use in percentage. Okay, so what they give, one total mixture is 80 ml. Okay, so in that 80 ml, 60 ml is isooctane and 20 ml is N-heptane. As you know that octane number is nothing but the how many percent isooctane is there, that is itself is then the octane number. Okay, so see that 80 ml mixture contains isooctane, how much? Isooctane how much? 60. Isooctane 60. So you have to give the isooctane is in the form of percentage. Okay, so 100 ml mixture contains how much percent of isooctane? You have to just cross multiply it, you will get the answer. See, percentage of isooctane. So just cross multiply 100 into 60 divided by how much? 80. So while after calculation you will get the answer, that is 75%. Just do calculation. So that is nothing but the 75 is the octane number. So what is the octane number? Octane number is equal to 75. Okay, so in this way you can calculate the octane numbers. Thank you.